Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roel Carpio, a public elementary school math teacher and a coach in the division of Zamboanga City. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and don't forget also to like, share, comment, and suggest topics for my next videos for you to get a chance of a shout out in my next video. Gracias! This time, I would like to shout out to the first 3 viewers who commented with the correct answers on the exercises on the video on how to write whole numbers in expanded form. And they are the following: Sara Lebara, Cindy Chen Aragones, and Shamara Hana Aboron. To all of you, thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel. I hope that you will continue supporting my channel by watching my future videos. Thank you! In this video, I'm going to discuss how to identify numbers that are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, or 10. This is part 1 of my discussions. So, for you not to miss the second part of this video, kindly hit the notification bell button below for you to be notified the moment I upload my next video. Now, before going to the discussions, let us define first the meaning of divisibility or divisible. So when do we say that a number is divisible by another number? So any number is divisible by another number if the number is a multiple of the other number. That is, when a number is divided by another number, the quotient has a remainder of 0. For example, when 6 is divided by 2, the quotient is 3 with a remainder of 0. Thus, 6 is divisible by 2. But aside from 2, 6 is also divisible by 1, 3, and itself 6. Because when we divide all these numbers from 6, it will give us a remainder of 0. Now, how do we identify if a given number is divisible by another number? The divisibility test or the divisibility rules can help us identify whether a number is divisible by another number without doing so much computations. The part 1 of the video in which we are going to discuss the divisibility test or divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. So let us begin with the divisibility test for 2 or the divisibility rule by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. When we say even numbers, these numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, all even numbers are divisible by 2. So, let us check whether these 3 given numbers here are divisible by 2 or not following the divisibility test for 2. Let's have number 1, 670. Now, since the last digit is 0, therefore, 670 is divisible by 2. So, this is a check. Now, let's have number 2. 4,681. The last digit is 1. And it is not an even number. So, therefore, 4,681 is not divisible by 2. So, this is an X. Number 3. 5,002. The last digit is 2. Therefore, it is an even number. So, since it is an even number, therefore 5,002 is divisible by 2. So, this is a check. Now, let's proceed now to 3. divisibility test for 3, we can determine whether a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. What do we mean by that? In other words, we have to add all the digits of the given number, and then we have to test whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. If it's divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. But if the sum of all the digits is not divisible by 3, then the number is not also divisible by 3. Let us have example number 1. We have 258. So, we have to add all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 8 is 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So, therefore, 258 is divisible by 3. So, this is a check. Let's have number 2. 6,903. So, we are going to add 6 plus 9 plus 0 plus 3. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 3 is 18. And 18 is divisible by 3. So, therefore, 6,903 is divisible by 3. So, this is also a check. Now, number 3, 57,230. So, we are going to add 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0. 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. And 17 is not divisible by 3. So, therefore, 57,230 is not divisible by 3. So, this is X. Now, let's proceed to divisibility test for 5. So, for 5, we can say that a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. So, any number as long as it ends with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So, let us have example number 1. 740. So, since it ends with 0, definitely it is divisible by 5. So, 740 is divisible by 5. So, this is check. Number 2, 3,655. It ends with 5. So, 3,655 is divisible by 5. So, this is also a check. And finally, 17,432 ends with 2. So, since it ends with 2, it is not divisible by 5. So, meaning to say that 17,432 is not divisible by 5. So, it is an X. Now, let's proceed to divisibility test for 6. Here, any number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible both by 2 and by 3. So, what do we mean by this? So, in other words, if a number is divisible by 2 and is also divisible by 3, then that number is automatically divisible by 6. But if a number is not divisible by either 2 or 3, then automatically also the number is not divisible by 6. So let us have example number 1, 420. So let us identify first if 420 is divisible by 2. According to the divisibility test for 2, any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is divisible by 2. Since 420 ends with 0, then 420 is divisible by 2. So, this is a check. Now, for 3, we have to add all the digits. If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So, we have to add 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 0 is also 6. Since 6 is divisible by 3, then 420 is also divisible by 3. So, this is a check. Now, since 420 is divisible both by 2 and by 3, then 420 is also divisible by 6. Now, let's go to number 2, 9,003. Based on the divisibility test for 2, since 9,003 ends with 3, then 9003 is not divisible by 2. So this is x. How about by 3? 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore, 9003 is divisible by 3. But since 9003 is not divisible by 2, therefore 9003 is not divisible also by 6. Number 3, 7004. 7004, since 4 is the last digit, definitely it is divisible by 2. So this is check for 2. For 3, we have 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So this is x for 3. Then for 6, automatically not divisible by 6 because 7004 is not divisible by 3. Now, let's proceed to divisibility test for 9. Any number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. So this is similar to divisibility test for 3. But here, after adding all the digits of a given number, we have to test whether the sum is divisible by 9. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9 also. But if the sum is not divisible by 9, then the number also is not divisible by 9. Let us try to have these examples. 720. The sum of 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 9, then 720 is divisible by 9. So this is check. Let's have number 2 example. 6372. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 6372 is divisible by 9. Number 3, 7207. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 is not divisible by 9. Then, 7207 is not divisible by 9. And then finally, we will have the divisibility test for 10. Any number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. It is almost similar to divisibility test for 5. But for 10, the number must only end with 0, or the digit in the ones of a given number must be 0 for it to become divisible by 10. So let us have example number 1, 560. Since it ends with 0, automatically 560 is divisible by 10. So this is a check. 1004. Since it ends with 4, then 1004 is not divisible by 10. And finally, 35,920. So since it ends with 0, then 35,920 is divisible by 10. So this time, it is your turn to try to answer the following exercises. Once you are done answering the given questions, you may comment your answers using the tag Divisibility Test Part 1. Question number 1. What is the greatest two-digit number divisible by 9? Number 2. How many numbers less than 100 that are divisible by 2, 3, and 6? And number 3. How many numbers from 1 to 100 are divisible both by 5 and 10? So, I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again on my next video. Thank you.